in order to grow in an area that you really want to grow, it is not possible to grow or to expand in the way that you want to if you don't accept of where you are right now, and if you don't acknowledge where you are at the moment. So if you do want to progress in your business, or if you do want to progress in your personal development, acceptance of exactly who we are in this moment is the most important thing, because that way, if the environment is the right way, if we accept who we are, then we are able to ignite the spirit within us. Because if we don't accept who we are and where we are, then we're constantly in our minds of how we want to be, or who we want to be, and the step in between who we want to be or where we want to be and now is not taken, because only if we accept where we are, we can really use all the resources we have around us. And also something happens in the acceptance part that, something releases and energy gets opened up, because we let go of that constraint that we're putting on ourselves of not being there yet, or not being that person yet, or not having achieved a certain thing. It means that we're attached to something else, and that is a fear-based consciousness. So in the acceptance of who we are right now, that is where you will release and open up new possibilities and opportunities to come to you, and you will move towards where you want to be way faster.